Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful Excel functions to supercharge your data analysis skills. Number 1. How to use the rank function in Excel. Ever wondered how to determine the rank of values in Excel? Look no further than the rank function. Let's dive right in. First, let's set up our table with students' names and their scores. Now, simply input the rank function in the rank column. Type the formula. Type equal to type rank bracket start. Select score. Type comma select scores range. Press F4 key. Type comma type 0 bracket close. Now press Enter key for result. Specify the score to be ranked, followed by the range of scores, and whether you want the ranking in ascending or descending order. Simply hand double-click to calculate the ranks for all the scores. Number 2. How to compute variance in Excel. Variance measures the dispersion or spread of data points. Let's see how Excel's VAR function simplifies this calculation. Type the formula. Type equal to type var bracket start. Select values range bracket close. After type the formula. Press Enter key for result. Number 3. How to round values to the nearest integer. Need to round numbers to the nearest whole number? Excel's round function makes it a breeze. Just input the round function and specify the number you want to round. Type formula. Type equal to type round bracket start. Select value. Type comma type 0 bracket close. After type the formula. Press Enter key for result. Number 4. How to find the arctangent of a value. Explore the angles of your data with Excel's ATN function. Let's see it in action. Input the ATN function to find the arctangent value in radians. Type the formula. Type equal to type ATAN bracket start. Select value bracket close. After type the formula. Press Enter key for result. Number 5. How to calculate factorial in Excel. Need to crunch factorial numbers? Excel's fact function has you covered. Input the fact function to calculate the factorial of a value. Type the formula. Type equal to type fact bracket start. Select the value bracket close. After type the formula. Press Enter key for result. And there you have it. 5 essential Excel functions to power up your data analysis game. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our Excel tutorial series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Excel tutorials.